In this video, we're going to deploy our application to Amazon EC2 instance, which we have started. Okay, so first of all, let's go back to our project and we will build it to generate a deployable web application archive file. So I will switch the tab. Now I'm in my project, mobile app WS, and I will list files here. I should see pom.xml file. And first of all, I will make sure that this project is built and that the target folder has the deployable web application archive file. So I'll use maven command to build this project, and the command is install. Maven install, hit enter. Okay, the build is successful. Now I'll go to the Finder window, and this is my project. In the Finder window, I will go to the target folder, and I should have here the mobile app snapshot with the version number, the deployable web application file. The extension of this file is WAR. If you do not have web application archive file in your target folder, please watch one of the previous videos where we've learned how to configure our project to build a deployable file. Okay, so I have the file. I will rename it though. I will delete the snapshot and keep the project name only with the WAR file, like this. So now I will switch to the browser window and I will try to deploy this application archive to my Apache Tomcat running in EC2. And this is my EC2 console. So I'll select my server. And once I select it, below here in the description panel, I should see public DNS. I will copy this URL and I will open it in a new browser window. But I will need to provide a port number 8080 because our Tomcat is running on port 8080. And after the port number, I will put / and then type manager / HTML and hit enter. And that should bring my Apache Tomcat web application manager. If it prompts you for the password, please provide the username and password, which we have created in Tomcat users XML file in one of the earlier videos. Okay, so now when we have Tomcat Web Application Manager page opened, scroll down a little bit, and here we have deploy section, and I will use var file to deploy, to choose file, and then I will go to my project, target folder, and here's my mobile app ws.web application archive file. So I will choose this file and deploy it. Okay, my application is deployed and it's running. I see the status true under the running column. And one very important note here is that please make sure that before building this project, before building the project with maven install command and generating a deployable WAR file, please make sure that you have correct username and password and the database name in your application properties. If you have provided a more secure username and password when creating a database on EC2 Linux server, and if you have changed the database name before packaging your project into a new web application archive file, you'll have to update the properties files first. But if you have done that, then we are all good. So now we have our Apache Tomcat running. We have our project deployed to Apache Tomcat. Let's try sending HTTP requests to it and see if everything is working and our web service entry points can accept HTTP request parameters, can connect to the database, and can give us a valid response.